how to find Shake Shack's location near you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find Shake Shack location near you. So let's dive right in. You need to go to your browser, go to shakeshack.com and then scroll down and you'll find locations under Explore. Just tap on it and then you'll need to scroll down. You can put in your address, city, state, zip code. So just write it down and then tap on Find, and it will show you all the Shake Shack locations that are near your area. So you can just choose the one of your choice. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.